new app, TeamViewer, allows you to remote control your computer from an Android device, which means you can remote control Hoster as well. So we go to TeamViewer App, select my computer, please wait while we connect. And then you get this screen comes up here, so we continue, and there's Hoster. Now you can remote control that, you can play songs in it, pick a song, press play, and there's us on the Android, and right next to it is my computer. As you see, you can control it remotely. You can do your searches in the search window up. If you type something in there, obviously you've got to bring this keyboard up. So, I'm not sure what you do. Right, so press search. You've got to shut the keyboard. And I'll do that. Oh, it's up here now, isn't it? Right, shut the keyboard. We can get rid of that little that there. Sends it to there. So they are completely remote controllable.